How's it going, bros? My name is one of Super Red Creed, and I will play Happy Wheels with my friend. So, what level we'll play?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Ah.
Okay, so let's play. Oh, oops. Okay, so let's play. Maybe Balcony Terror.
Okay.
So let's play Balcony Terror. I'll choose the Segway gun, and if you want, you can change the
Black man.
Okay, let's play. Okay, just die. Hey, oh no. Yes, I'm still alive. Kill. I have no feet. No feet, man. And I don't have the Segway. I can't do anything.
He's died.
Oh wait, I think I can do. Okay, I can do. So you play. Okay, maybe let's change the character.
Okay.
So what will you be?
Black man.
Black man?
Yeah.
Old fat black man. Okay, play. You just fell the microphone. Okay, I will try. Nope. With the different character. I like the Pogo man. Who's the one? He's the one. We are one. We. I want to sing Titanic for no reason. No, Gonzalo.
You're dead.
Okay, let's choose something else. How about
The
Irresponsible Mother or Big Bertha? Big Bertha. Oh, she's fast. Almost backflip. Kickflip.
You're stuck.
I'm stuck. Oh, no. Hey, that's resta borta. I made it. Okay, let's play some other. You choose. No, Shito. The ghost train. Okay. Play. The super. Whoa! I haven't played this level ever. Oh! I think this is what the. I think this is the one with the caramel ass. Hey, you broke the bike. Hey, something new on Twitter. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Oof. So I will play.
What the fuck?
Tas ir saules pulkstenis, Alīna.
Kādā jēgā? Tas tāds.
Česien.
Agri, tev ir 4 par būtnīcu.
Jā. Ne 6.
Kāpēc ir 4 rakstīts? 6 ar mīnus. Vai bijis mums 4? Manas lieldienas geologišanas. Lieldiena.
It's the easiest way to survive this level.
Tu lieldienās vēl gākas un vēl?
Nē, toreiz, tad, kad mums bija sapulces. Super off topic. What the fuck? What the? Okay, restart. Ej, caramba, hajde me klade.
Snova Pablo.
Pablo.
Cik pulkstens?
Tūlīt tev būs jāiet uz viņu koncertu.
Uz kuru?
Kristapā.
Uz tavu draugu. Nu, jūs bijāt uz...
Ko?
Jūs bijāt mazoties Latvijai.
Pagaidu, kas tev būs jūtubē, kā mēs runājam latviski?
Nu,
Jā, tur, kur mēs runājam latviski arī.
Es to iztulkošu. Super off topic.
Ko?
Neko. Šis mikrofons vispār strādā?
Nē.
Nestrādā! Hey, you won! I won!
Krītošas Latvijas kā.
Okay, I will play.
Krītošas kartu.
No. I will play, not you. Es atceros krītošo kartupeli.
Mana Latvija ir ligo.
Artis izturo savu Wi-Fi.
Mana Latvija. Tad es tibi tu nu vienmēr ķē labi.
Super Meat Boy. I saw play this. No. Oh, no.
Wow.
Es to nemāku spēlēt. Es izdzīvoju. Gonzalo ir priecīgs. Okay, my friend. Go. I killed myself. Okay, that one will be the end of this episode. Like and share a favorite if you liked. So have a nice day, and what the fuck? Flying card. Okay, I don't know how that happened, but like favorite if you want and subscribe.